Honorable Ogbemudia on 28 March don't hold Easter Gbedu to take celebrate council staff for Egor Council. The Gbedu na to bring together all the departments for the council to take relax, mingle and jollificate after work.
Privileged to speak on behalf of our council chairman. Thank you all for being here. We have the mentality that work itself is hard enough. You cannot make the work environment toxic. So that's why you notice the way some of us try to demonstrate our leadership system. We demonstrate leadership by example and friendship, because that is how you can actually get everybody to feel fulfilled while they are doing their primary assignments at work. And we feel like this is also an environment where we can also sit, wine, dine together, eat together, and have communication together.
Chairman Egor Local Government Council, Honorable Ogbemudia, Tori people say she organized the Gbedu to take show love and appreciate her team for the ogbonge work they do. She constantly talk say
28th day of March. Tomorrow is Good Friday. You know, on Good Friday, Christians don't eat meat. So we decided to have our own Easter party today. So we are celebrating the Easter today in Egor Local Government Council. All the staffs were here to celebrate, civil servants, public servants, even people from the community. So they were all here to celebrate with us. So I want to thank God for a successful celebration and to give kudos to Egor Local Government staff.
Head of Local Government Administration for Egor Council, Dr. Matthias Ohonsi, and some staff for Egor Council, Controwe salute give Egor Council Chairman for the Gbedu as na the first of its kind, and they not go forget him anytime soon.
Celebrating the eve of the Good Friday, the chairman has deemed it necessary for staff to celebrate the Easter party today. It's a great outing, and it's the first of its kind. This is my 35th year in the service. No council has ever organized this kind of outing. So we give thanks to the chairman of the local government, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, for this great outing. And we want to encourage staff. This is a wake-up call for all of us to rise to the occasion. We pledge that we'll be loyal, we'll do our jobs diligently and conscientiously to the glory of the Egor local government area people. Thank you very much.
I want to say Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia has left indelible footprints in the sands of time. In Egor local government, this is the maiden edition of Easter party. She has taught it wise that if you work, there is need for you to equally marry. And she has done this to make the entire Egor local government workers very happy. I want to commend her efforts, and I want her to know that we will continue to be loyal and dutiful in all we do. We will let her know that for this she has done, we will help her take Egor to the next level.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Belumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.